Did you know your tongue has a secret superpower? Its natural resting position is actually on the roof of your mouth, right behind your top teeth. And that tiny habit can do wonders. It helps shape your jaw, improves posture, and even boosts breathing by encouraging you to use your nose instead of your mouth. Scientists say it could prevent snoring, support athletic performance, and more. So, where's your tongue resting right now? Tell us in the comments. Try it and unlock better health with this simple tip. And don't forget to follow us for more fascinating facts.